Hello everyone, myself Dr. Trilok Gupta, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, College of Technology and Engineering, MPUT Udaipur, and I have completed my BTech in Civil Engineering with honors in 2001, MTech in Structural Engineering from MNIT Jaipur in 2003 with honors, and PhD in Structural Engineering from MNIT Jaipur in 2016. And after completion of the MTech in 2003, I have joined NM Roof Designer Limited as design engineer for 2 years. In July 2005, I have joined the CTAE Udaipur as Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering. I have selected for senior scale in 2010, and presently I am selected for the selection scale in 2015. I have published 44 research papers in international national journals, 23 research review papers in international national conferences. I have also published 2 textbooks, and I have edited 6 books, and I have 7 sponsor research project. 1 has been completed and other 6 are ongoing, out of which 1 is the Modro project sanctioned by the AICTE New Delhi of rupees 20 lakhs, and other 1 is the sanctioned by the NPIU MHRD Government of India of rupees 19.6 lakhs, utilization of bamboo strips as reinforcement in concrete. Other 1 is the development of eco-friendly paver blocks utilizing waste product, sanctioned by the DST Jaipur. And other 1 is the utilization of waste plastic in concrete and paver blocks, that is funded by the Department of Science and Technology, New Delhi, of amounting 25.3 lakhs. Other 1 is the natural colored functionally graded rubberized geopolymer concrete of amounting around 50 lakhs, that is with the collaborating institute is the University of Edinburgh, UK. And other 1 is the Asian Concrete Federation funded, that is the waste utilization in concrete as aggregate Asian perspective. I have filed 4 patents, that is the composition of interlocking concrete paver blocks utilizing granite waste and methods of preparation thereof. Other 1 is the method of preparation of Coneplast paver block. Third 1 is the composition for preparation of paver block utilizing rubber waste, and fourth 1 is the method of preparation for sustainable rigid pavement. And I have completed more than 100 consultancy projects. I have supervised 2 PhD students and 24 MTech students, and I am presently associated internationally with Asian Concrete Federation and University of Edinburgh, UK for the joint project. I have visited Tanzania for the paper presentation, and presently I have so many administrative responsibility at CTAE Udaipur, out of which I am working as Assistant Dean Student Welfare, Editor-in-Chief College Magazine, that is the TechView, Convener, Anti-Ragging Committee. I am also the member of the Discipline Committee. I am member of the University Sports Board. I am advisor College Level Student Union. I am the member of the Committee of Courses. I am also working as the TCube Nodal Officer Procurement and ICR Assistant Nodal Officer. I have developed 2 labs, that is the PG lab of around costing 50 lakhs in 2019, and another 1 is the durability lab with the equipment cost of 55 lakhs in 2018. And I have organized 21 faculty development programs or workshops or trainings, and I have attended more than 45 faculty development programs, and I am also associated with the AICTE as the member of Committee of the Town Planning. I am also the member of Explore Possibility of Parking Space around Fateh Sagar Lake, Udaipur, that is formed by the District Collector Udaipur, and I am also the member of the Beautification of Ayadwar Udaipur, that is also formed by the District Collector Udaipur. I am also the member of the Quality Checking of Roads Udaipur, Additional District Collector Udaipur. I am also the special invitee by the Committee of Courses, Civil Engineering Department, MNIT Jaipur, and I have also awarded as for the outstanding services in the university on 15th August 2018, and I am the member of the different professional bodies such as the Institution of Engineers India, Indian Concrete Institute Chennai, Asian Concrete Federation, and I am presently I have carried out studies for the utilization of waste rubber fiber, ceramic waste, plastic waste and granite powder as partial replacement of fine aggregate in concrete and paver blocks, and presently study in progress for the strength, durability and microstructure of geopolymer and mine waste concrete using advanced characterization techniques. So this is all about my brief highlights. Thank you.